Today, let's take a look at a kit by Dewalt. This is their latest impact driver. This is the DCF 845, and this is now in a kit. It's coming with a POWERSTACK battery, which is really nice. You don't see POWERSTACKs in too many kits at the moment. It also has a standard 2 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag. So nice little contractor bag to carry all this in. I love the POWERSTACK batteries. They last really long. They've got the lights on the front. They're giving a real good boost of power compared to the 2 amp hours. It's awesome that they're pairing these together. You're gonna wanna buy more of these once you start using them because you're just gonna love them. Okay, the actual impact itself, this is an XR, so that's the brushless model. This has 3 modes of speed on the front. Really easy to cycle through them. This has a lot of torque in it. It's very impressive. You can drive lag screws with this, GRKs. I use it all the time for GRKs, decking screws, whatever you might need to do, this will definitely handle it. This impact has really good rubber overmold on it. It has 3 LED lights across the front. You've got the quick change chuck. Comes with a belt hook as well, which you can put on the left or the right hand side. It also has Dewalt's new Tool Connect system on it. Now, this is just a filler, so you actually have to buy the chip itself, but it does have a place for it. So a lot of the new tools are coming out with this new Tool Connect system. So let's take a look with the battery in here. It's nice and slim, compact design. We've got some LEDs on the front, variable speed trigger. It's just a nice feeling impact. It's not too stubby like the 850, so you got a little bit of clearance from your finger to the front. So it's just a really nice, comfortable impact to use. You can also throw a lanyard on the back if you want. It's got a spot for it. So if you want to hook this onto your belt, just in case you're up a ladder and you drop it, you can put a lanyard on here. So that's pretty important as well. The charger has 2 spots on the back where you can actually mount this onto a board, or you can hang it off a wall. Really handy to have. I used to have these all mounted on my trailer. Then I ended up getting a different system going. These chargers will also do the 12 volt batteries too. These chargers don't do the flex volts, but they will do the 12 volts and the 20 volt batteries. All right, guys, I hope the video was helpful. Till next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.